What's up everyone, welcome back to yet another vlog. So as you can see, my table is well arranged. We have the ingredients that we are going to use to make our homemade pizza. So sit back, relax and stay tuned. So this is what I was having for lunch: the apple juice, some pilau and pizza and many more. Fear these cats, guys, they can finish this food within seconds. African cats, you know. So guys, let's go through our ingredients. We have some cheese, the dough, the Hoho, the green, red and yellow, the Smokies and the sauce. So these are all the ingredients we'll be using to make our homemade pizza. First, let's arrange our table. We have the sauce, the green Hoho, the red Hoho, the yellow Hoho, the Smokies, and our duff. We're going to roll it just like we do in chapatis. The chapatis are one of the most famous food cooked in Kenya, Africa, and it's loved by a majority. So let's roll it. Let's roll the dough. You can roll it up to the amount you want or the specific circle that you want. So according to ours, it's going to be kind of big one. So this is a homemade pizza, and we decided that we want to do it in this way. Some of us tend to use, let's say, other ingredients. You can use some additives like meat, chicken. So in our case, we just use the Smokies. Yeah. Okay, so let me use another angle so that you can see well and clear. So our circle is coming. You can see it's just similar to making chapati. Say what you wanna say to me now. I wanna wake up with you in the morning. Show me there's nothing fake to me now. I wanna wake up with you in the morning. Say what you wanna say to me now. I wanna wake up with you in the morning. Show me there's nothing fake to me now. I wanna wake up with you in the morning. Turn this room, turn it to an ocean. Let me float around. Eyes closed, like we're dreaming even when we're not. You and me got a whole other meaning, I don't know how. You and me just know how it feels when we're falling in love. Say what you wanna say to me now. I wanna wake up with you in the morning. Show me there's nothing fake to me now. I wanna wake up with you in the morning. Say what you wanna say to me now. I wanna wake up with you in the morning. Show me there's nothing fake to me now. Well, guys, this part can be very challenging since if you don't have enough experience, you can't make a perfect circle. But anyways, we don't eat the shape so long as it has cooked well. No worries about the shape. So here's our pan, and our big chapati, our big pizza has fitted inside our pan like perfectly. It's like it was measured. So we can put some holes with the fork. You can decide to put, or you can just decide to leave it the way it is. So our first step, we're going to pour our sauce on top of our, let's call it chapati. First, let's add the black pepper. Yeah. We added the black pepper inside the sauce. Then you stir until it has mixed. Then you pour on top of the upcoming pizza. You can decide to spread it like this. You go round and round and round and round, just the way you like, so long as it has spread. So our next step, we are going to add our Smokies. Yeah, you can add as many as you want. In our case, we added until it was completely full of Smokies, but I think it will be too much. You'll just have to leave some others. Yeah, as you can see, it has somehow 3/4. It has filled over 3/4 of the pizza. And we have other stuffs to put. We have the green Hoho, the red, and the yellow. So you can add and add and add. If you're a fan of Smokies, I think you'll enjoy this pizza. On our next step, we decided to add some beef so that our pizza may become attractive and more attractive when you look at it. Then let's add our green Hoho all around the pizza. You can decide to cut it maybe bigger than ours or smaller, anyhow you want. Then let's add our red one. Guys, you can just see how delicious it's becoming. Then lastly, let's add our yellow Hoho to the pizza, and its image is becoming so cute, and it is what it is, man. I'm already salivating, guys, and it hasn't yet cooked. It's so sweet to look at it in the eyes. Then you add some salt to the pizza. Yeah. So we are done, guys. Let's take it to the oven. And before you put it in the oven, make sure your oven was on so that when you put it, it has already warmed. You set your temperature at around 180 degrees Celsius and leave it to heat for around 20 minutes and check whether it's ready. So our oven is set, and let's put it inside. After 20 minutes, guys, you check whether the lower part has turned brownish. After it's ready, you put some cheese. In our case, we used the Mozarella cheese. It's so good in pizzas, and I would recommend you use it. Then, after you have put your cheese, you return back to the oven so that it warms again for some few minutes. Yeah. So our pizza is ready, guys. The cheese has melted to the required level. Oops. Take it slowly. Yeah, you can decide to cut it into pieces, just like in hotels how they cut. Yeah, you can see, guys, it has a very good image. It's a bit crunchy since it has dried, guys, so I'll recommend after cutting, you just wrap it in a foil so that it becomes a little bit soft. See how beautiful the pizza is, and it's so delicious. Okay, so the pizza is ready. Let's enjoy. I wanna wake up with you in the morning. Show me there's nothing fake to me now. I wanna wake up with you in the morning. Say what you wanna say to me now. I wanna wake up with you in the morning. Show me there's nothing fake to me now. I wanna wake up with you in the morning. Turn this room, turn it to an ocean. Let me float around. Eyes closed, like we're dreaming even when we're not. You and me got a whole other meaning, I don't know how. You and me just know how it feels when we're falling in love. Say what you wanna say to me now. I wanna wake up with you in the morning. Show me there's nothing fake to me now. I wanna wake up with